Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'll demonstrate how I discovered a critical vulnerability in a public HackerOne target that let me go from the admin login to accessing all employee records. After Recon on Shodan and FOFA, I discovered an admin login panel that only supports SSO. Clicking the login button redirects to the Microsoft sign-in page. Let's think about what we're going to do. First, I'll open the FindsSomething extension to check the paths and look for sensitive information. So, let's see. Nothing interesting. Now, in the background, I ran the JS Miner extension, a really cool tool for finding secrets in JavaScript files. Make sure you download it from the Burp store. And don't forget to check the box. Yeah, as you can see, we got an interesting result. Let's check it out. This is a false positive. Let's check the other results. Oh, incredible! We've got an authorization token inside this JavaScript file. Let's confirm it by opening the link. Wow, that's actually real. So let's think about how we're going to exploit it. First, I'll recheck the paths in this file using the FindsSomething extension. I want to map every endpoint and look for anything interesting. And here we've got a couple of paths listed in the file. This one is really interesting. Let's dig into it. Now, I'm going to craft a curl request using the endpoint we got from the extension. If you're not sure how to do it, you can always ask an AI tool for help. As you can see, we extracted the endpoint directly from the extension. Next, let's run the request and check the status code. Unfortunately, the request returned a 404, not found, indicating that the endpoint does not exist. That happened because we forgot to add API/ before the endpoint. Let's try the request again with the corrected endpoint. Interesting! We received a 401 unauthorized. This means the request exists, but we don't have access. Here we go. Let's open the request in Burp and send it to Repeater so we can inspect it clearly. Now, to make things clear, I'll remove the cookie header in Burp Repeater, then click Send. We're seeing an internal server error and an unauthorized response. Now I'll add the authorization token we found in the JavaScript file and observe the result. Here is the authorization token. Now, let's see the result. Oh, unbelievable! Thousands of employee records. Incredible. The data includes names, emails, IDs, and roles. Just look at the content length and status code. We successfully accessed it using the authorization token. Wow! Let's switch to Burp. I'll paste the authorization token into the authorization header and send the request. Oh, we got a 200 OK and a massive dump of employee data, including names, emails, IDs, and roles. I reported this vulnerability, and it was accepted the same day. The issue was fixed 2 days later. If you'd like a full walkthrough of the methodology I used to find this endpoint with Shodan and FOFA, leave a comment below. For questions or to connect, DM me on X or LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.